than x bar, you get z minus sign. If the data, any data, its value larger than x bar, you will get that is plus data, right? Now today we will study about the new one we call t-score, right? T-score. T-score. T-score is the same.
อาจารย์คะ
อะไรครับ
รับฟังเข้าเรียนด้วยค่ะ
Yes. Sulaiman. Is normally is accept with automatic, right? If someone has some problem, please can tell me. It's already. It's okay. It's okay. Okay. Go on. T-score, it is the same like Z, but Z it is a small value. We have a minus a plus. If hard to define or it have to explain what is mean Z, we can change from Z to T-score, right? T-score is equal 10 multiplied by Z and plus 15. It is a formula of T. You can change Z to T-score by multiply 10 by Z and add 50. Add 50. This score will get minus sign, not plus sign, not have minus sign. This score, it is very popular to use for grading a student. That it is, you can explain any data. I will show you, right? I will show you by example, right? We show you the example how to calculate S bar, standard deviation, Z score, and T score. And what is meaning and what can we use this statistics parameter to explain your data. Our example is I will expose you like X is score of student, right? Assume score of student score. It means score for student student number 1, right? Student Ahmad, right? That student number 1, right? Student number 1. Assume we have 10 students. For easy, we use only 10 students. Student number 1, we get score. It means X, right? We assume that score, full score, it is full score 100, right? 100 is full score. Assume student number 1 have score 60, number 2, okay, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, right? Assume student only 10 students, right? Student number 1 gets all score 67, 87, go on. Yes, it is full score of 100. Right, full score of 100. You can see from your data, right? From your data. If you have this score from examination, from homework, or any work, any assignment, and assume you are a teacher, you will put a grade to this student, right? This student. You can find maximum your score and minimum of your score. This are X. We consider X, not do nothing about statistics, right? Raw data. This is raw data. We don't do anything with this data. When you examination, you got this score, we will grade it. We find it, the maximum. What is maximum? The maximum is 18, right? 18. Minimum. What minimum is? Minimum is 40, 40, 34, right? From this one. And you can find a range. Range which means different between maximum and minimum. It means max minus min, right? Which we call range. We call range. We call range, right? Range. Max minus min. Okay? Range equal range equal the number it is 18 minus 4, 40, 34. You get it is range. It is mean range is different of between maximum and minimum. Maximum 18. No, maximum is 87, right? And 87, this one, 87, right? Minimum is 34, okay. Maximum, right? Okay. You will get this number, 53. If you want to grade, I assume you get a 3 grade. You need only 3 grade. 3 grade, it means A, B, and C. Yes. If you need a 3 grade, it mean the score between grade it is interval. What we call interval. Interval it is mean range, right? RANGE, range divide by number of grade, right? You have number of grade A, B, C. Number of grade is 3. This 3. A, B, C is 3. Right? You will get interval. You get interval equal range. It is 53 divided by 3. Right? You get this one. You get divided by 3. You get about 17. You can change this point to be about this number about 80. It means from minimum, right? From minimum, you plus this one 18, you will get this. Under this one, you will get 18, right? It means each grade is different 18. You can find what this one is like. Grade A, grade B, grade C, right? Grade A, your mark maximum it is 17. Minimum is 34, right? Minimum. Depend on you. If you think that the last one it is 24, it is minimum. It means C you will start from 70. You will start from 34 to 34 to you plus 18 to this one, you will get 2, 4, 5, 52, right? This one you plus the 52. It means the student has a mark between 34 to 52, you get grade C, right? This one, when you score 30, when 53, 53 to you plus this one with 18. 8 plus 3, you get 1. 11. You get 6. You get 71. It means student have mark have scored 53 to 71 is get B. This one is mean is more than is larger than 71. Right? It's larger than 71, you get A. This mean you got 74 plus 18, right? This one you get 55 plus 18, right? Okay. Okay. It is a raw score. We have to do nothing about we have to do nothing about okay. This data we do nothing. We do nothing about this data. Right? We have only uh, we have only raw data. Do nothing. We have find average. We have find standard deviation. Nothing about statistics. We find only difference of maximum and minimum. We converge, and we need to grade A, B, C. We can find interval of score between A, B, C. It is range divided by the number of grade. You get 2. The minimum grade, the minimum score is 34. And the maximum of score for grade C, it is 34 plus 80 plus interval. You get 52. And grade B start 53 plus 80, you get 71. If the score larger than 71, you get A. You can get 67, right? 67, the first student, what score between? It is 34 to 52. It is 67. 67 you here. It means this student is with B, right? The student is more than 71. This student is grade A. This student is 34. It is grade C, right? The student 56. 56. It is between here. 50, 53 to 71. You got B, right? And this one is larger than 71. It is A, right? The one 65. 65 is between here. It is B, right? 14, it is between here. It is C. 65, it is between here. It is B. 76, it is the first one, A. 18, it is A, right? This grade, it come from your mark direct. Mark 67, get B. Mark 87, get A. Go on, right? Right? Mm-hmm. It is, we have no statistic method. Have no statistic method. It is maybe someone thought that it is not fair for student. Maybe. some teacher use like this to grade you. If you make for better result for your student, you must do this data, done this data with statistics. If you are the student only 10%, you grade your student like that, not problem. It is if you do by statistic, your student grade is similar like that, but not 100%. If your student have 70 student or 100 student, it is important to do statistic method. We can accept if you don't use statistic method for a large student. Okay, I try to the another method with this student, right? We have copy this one to the another page, and we try it with the new method with statistic method, and we will compare this grade. We have not used statistic method with statistic method. What it happened? Okay, this one. Nature of student. It is mean this is X, right? Uh, and the score of student we call X. It is name of student, right? Name of student. Student number one is mean Aminah Hafsah, right? Abdullah Muhammad. That. The first one, this data you must find X bar, right? You must find X bar. I will move you to below that, or easy to calculate. The first one, we must X bar, find X bar. Right? X bar. And the another one, we find standard deviation. X bar X bar, we can calculate to use this formula, right? This formula, X bar, summary X by N, right? Summary X by N. Summary X by N, it is mean summary this number, right? Summary this number. Sum together. And we sum it, right? We sum it. And we sum it, right? And we sum from here. The first student, 67 plus 80 plus 30 plus 210 students. Yes. It is sum of score. Right? Sum of score. Sum of score, this one, you must, okay, I move here, right? Sum of score, right? You put this one. Sum of score, you get this one. Yes. N equal 10. Right? X bar equal this number divided by 10. Okay, you get X bar is 65.6, right? And now you must find standard deviation, right? STD. Standard deviation, you must find X minus X bar over 2, the first. Okay, this one we X minus X bar. The first you must calculate it. But x this one minus x bar, this one. X minus x bar. Okay. X if
อาจา
x
รย์ครับรับแอดสุไลมานหน่อยครับ
okay. You ready? Okay. Okay. This is x bar. X minus x bar is mean 67 minus 65.6. You get 1.4. So then number 2 is mean 87 minus 65.6. What do you get? This number, right? You can do with your calculator. This x minus x bar. You have some problem. Okay. If the number of your score is larger than mean, you get plus. 87 is larger than 65, you get plus. 34 is smaller than 65, you get minus. You notice that. X bar, x minus x bar, if your each data is larger than mean, you get plus. Is less than mean, you get minus. And you can check it. This summary of x and x bar, you must get 0. You check it. If not 0, it's mean your calculation, this one, it is not correct. You will get 0. Right? And get 0. This number is this number, it is small. This number is mean uh, 6 multiplied power. This power is this power is 0, 40, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. It's very small, right?
รับก่อนไหมเข้าเรียนด้วยค่ะ
Okay. Why auto admit to some problem? Okay, it's already. This number, it is very small, right? It is equal 0. This one equal 0. If you sum it, equals 0. You can check it, the first one. This one is x minus x bar. But standard deviation, we got x minus x bar power 2, right? You have the another column. Yes, x minus x bar power 2. Power 2, like that. You must do this one, power 2. 1 power 2, like that. It's 2 times multiply and every multiply, right? When you power 2, minus, you got plus. Minus got plus. Minus got plus. Okay. It is in the bracket, this one. Bracket. Standard deviation is summary of this one. You must sum it here. Sum it. Summary of the number from here to the last one. Yes. You sum it. 1.9 plus 200 plus 900 plus. You will get 2090. Okay. This value, this sum of this sum, right? And this one. And you must divide this sum by n minus 1 and square root it, right? This one, you get variant. Yes, variant. Variant is equal this number this number is a sum of x minus x bar divided by n minus 1. Calculate like this. Yes. Sum of x and x bar, this one, right, is equal this one divided by n minus 1. N which 10 students is 9. This one, it is this number, it is equal 2938.4 divided by 9. Okay, you get the number. This number, right? 2938.4 divided by 9. That. This is a variant. STD is equal square root, right? Square root of variant. It means this number 326.4889, right? Square root of this one.
อาจารย์ครับรับแอดเพื่อนหน่อยครับ
ครับ Okay, Farha. Yeah. Sama. Farhan Sulaiman Ruslan Rayadi. Osama, okay, you are ready. Okay, you can find STD is equal to square root of this one. In computer, you can use this one, square root SQRT, right? Square root of the number. Standard deviation is 80. You can use your calculation. This square root is 1, right? This square root. Okay. Standard deviation is square root of variance equals square root square root, right, of the number. Look at this one. It's standard deviation, right? Standard deviation. This one, standard deviation. It's equal. Maybe this number 18.069. You can get 18.07. You can use only two digit only if you need. Or you can use this 3 digit. But I introduce you 2 digit only. 18.06. Change to 18.07. Right? 18.07. Like that. Right? This is standard deviation. Right? From standard deviation, you must calculate standard score. It means you change from this score, which is the red score, to standard score. This is a Z, right? Z score, right? This one. Z. Z score, right? Z score or Z score equal X minus X minus X minus X bar, right? And divide by STD. Means the first Z for the first X. The first Z for the first X. The first X is 67 minus X bar 18.0. No, X bar, X bar 65.6 divided by 18.07, right? And like this. 167 minus bar 60.6. You must get a bracket. If you not get a bracket, it's wrong. This is x1, 67 minus by this one, 65.6 divided by standard deviation 18.07. This the number of mark for student number 1. It is larger than mean. You will got Z plus, right? Okay, got Z plus, right? I move. Okay, this one. I calculate it. You get this one. Or you can calculate that it is equal this number minus number divided by this number. You get this one. Right? This is some technique about Excel, right? Don't worry about it. Because in your examination, you can use Excel. And that depends on you because you test in your home, right?
Can use Excel in final exam, Acha?
Yes.
Nice.
Yes, you can use it, but you can know how to do it, right? And then this is that student number 1 it get a score 67, but Z score 0.077. 16 and student number 2 got a score 87. We change to the Z is 1.184. Gone, right? Gone, right? This data, this score, Z score, it is correspondent together. spontaneity has some relation. But that maybe if we use that to get a grade like that, right? It is very hard to do it because that they have a minus score. For easy to get a grade, easy to get a meaning, you must change, you must change, uh, you must change the the Z score to T score like that, right? You must change to T score like that. We use to T score here. You can use the formula T score here. It's T score, right?
อาจารย์ครับรับแอด
Okay,
ซูซูกิฟรีครับซูซูกิฟรี
Zuki free. Why are my automatic exam is some problem? Okay, never mind. Is it okay? We can find T score here. T score here. T score, this number, it is mean 10 multiply that. It mean, I show you here, the first. And the first person, it is 10 multiply by 67. Oh, no, sorry. That multiply by 0.077, right? T equal 10 multiply z, 10 multiply z plus 15, like that. Which one? Like that. You do that, you get 50.77, right? Or you can use this formula, 10 multiplied by that, okay, plus 50. This one.
Achan, why 50?
Why?
Yes, why plus 50?
It is a formula.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you get this formula. This formula, you can change Z score to T score use formula. You take number 10 multiply by the Z and plus 18. You will get a score is 18 like that. It is show you. It means the student have a score 67. When you change to T score, he or she got only 50, not 67. The score is mean T score is mean it's compared with your group. This score is compared in your group. Compare with average X bar. Compare with standard deviation. Standard deviation is property of group. X bar is property of group. The student will get mark only 55 if compared with his group, this group or her groups, right? Okay. Mean we change data individual to data depend on your group. Yes, you see that. The student have this one. We get a rate. The student get the mark 67 when you change to T score. She he got only 50.77. Score 87 got 61 point. This one why this some mistake. some mistake for calculating. Okay, I'm sorry. Some mistake, right? I knew it. It's not the same number. Sorry. Wait a minute for my nephew. Okay, I will get new copy. Okay, right? The score 87, you get 61. Score 34, you get 32. The score 67, 56, get 44. Go on, right? It's not the same. It's not the same value. It means the top of our student get 87, but we change to this score, you got 61.8, 61.8, right? This one is mean, what that is mean? It mean the student is compared in your group. This mark, this score will depend on standard deviation, depend on X bar. It means this data compare a group. This data not compare anything. Individual, Muhammad, Sabri, individual. This Muhammad compare with Sabri, compare with Aisha, compare with another one. This mark for student number 5 is compared with student number 1, 2, 3. But 86 for student number 5, it is individual data, not connect about the group. But when we change to Z or to T score, this 61, it compare all of the students. Yes, okay. It is have not the same meaning of the one. It is very what we call it is judge for balance of your data for more meaning of data. This data you can it is hard to compare 16. You can distort of the point. This one 50.7. We can change to 51. Right? You can depend on you. You can this one you can use 61 or 62, right? This one 33. You can for the full, not use the decimal, because if you use decimal, when you compare it, when you grade it like that, right? It is hard to do it. You can add 0.6 to 1. 44.6, we got 45. This 60, okay. Yes, if the point max it is larger than 5 or larger than 5, you add 1. This is 61.2. It is smaller. Maybe you can still 61. Depend on you. Depend on student. In the general, in the decimal is larger 5, we take it 1. Is less than it is less than 5, we don't move it. 61.28, we got 61. This one 49.6. It is larger than 5, we get 50, right? This 0.8, we got 51. It is 0.6, we got 50. Is it the one? It is the one. Or is this? It's fair enough, right? It's easy to understand this number. It means student number 1, he scored 67, but the score T when compared in group is 51, so on. This one, this is you can grade it. T-score, you can grade it like this. But you must find a maximum, minimum, and range new. Try it, and we'll grade it. We'll grade it. First, we find a maximum, right? Maximum. What? Maximum is the same. It is 86. The student number 5 is maximum score. When T-score, you get maximum, right? 61, right? Okay. Maximum, maximum, it is 61. And minimum is 34 for the pure score. But we change to the T-score, you get 33, right? 33 min. My range is between max, the difference between max and min. Range, it is mean this one minus this one. Right? Minus this one. We will get 78. But you want to three grade A, B, C. It is grade 3 grade. Grade 3. But A, B, C. Okay. Interval of your grade. It mean interval. It mean A, B, C. What that is different. You like that, right? It is range divided by number of grade. Our range is 28 divided by grade is 3. You got 9.333. It means from grade A different from grade B 10 about 10 mark. B different from grade C about 10. This maybe 10. It means grade A, grade B,